Hi Max, can you hear the cicadas out there? I don't know if you can hear the cicadas, but you'll probably hear the traffic in the background. We'll see if my phone makes it through this. I think it's overheating. It's like 90 degrees in here. I just wanted to remind you though that you're golden, even on days when you don't feel like it. Sometimes it's hard to say even one thing true. All the eyes have turned aside who used to talk to you, and people on the street seem to disapprove. So you keep moving away and forget what you wanted to say. Little bird, brush your gray wings on my head. Say what you said, say it again. They tell me I'm crazy, but you told me I'm golden. Sometimes it's hard to tell the truth from a lie. Nobody knows what's in the hold of your mind. We are all buildings and people inside, never knowing who'll walk through the door. Is it someone that you met before? Little bird, brush your gray wings on my head. Say what you said, say it again. They tell me I'm crazy, but you told me I'm golden. I know what I know. Wind in the trees and the road that goes winding upward. From here I see red, I hear thunder. Somewhere there's sun, and you don't need a reason. Sometimes it's hard to find a way to keep on. Quiet weekends, holidays, you come undone. Open your window and look upon all the kinds of alive you could be. Be still, be light, be living. Little bird, brush your